After submitting a dispute with your bank, they start an investigation to determine if an error or fraud has occurred. During this process, your bank may issue a temporary credit to your account, known as provisional credit. What is a provisional credit? Does it mean the case has been closed? As part of regulatory consumer protections, banks are required to protect account holders during a dispute investigation. To ensure you're not left without the disputed funds, banks can issue a provisional credit. This temporary credit allows you to access funds while the investigation continues. Keep in mind the credit may either be reversed or made permanent. Banks issue provisional credits for various reasons, typically as a part of the dispute resolution process. If the bank determines that a chargeback is the best resolution, they may issue a provisional credit before initiating the chargeback process. Chargebacks can take from weeks to months to resolve, so your bank will likely make you whole while they carry out the investigation. Some common scenarios where a provisional credit may be issued include unauthorized activity such as fraud, differing transaction amounts, scams or deceptive tactics employed by the merchant, duplicate or otherwise incorrect transactions, and continued charges for canceled subscriptions. While these are common examples, other situations may also qualify for provisional credit. If you haven't received one within 10 business days, contact your bank or check your claim status, as some cases don't qualify for provisional credit. Here's an overview of the typical process for provisional credit issuance. After noticing fraudulent activity or another issue with a transaction, you contact your bank to dispute the charge. The bank begins investigating the dispute and has up to 10 business days to review the claim. If an error is confirmed and the merchant has not corrected it, the bank must resolve the issue within 1 business day. If the bank needs more time to investigate, it will issue a provisional credit. This temporary credit ensures access to funds, but does not indicate that the dispute has been resolved. With the provisional credit in place, the bank continues its investigation. This may involve filing a chargeback, contacting the merchant, or seeking additional documentation to resolve the dispute. This structured process ensures fairness for both consumers and businesses while protecting account holders from financial disruption during the investigation. Your bank will notify you within 2 business days of issuing the provisional credit. Keep in mind that it may take a few business days for the credit to post to your account. The provisional credit matches the disputed transaction amount. For example, if you dispute a $50 transaction, the provisional credit will be in the amount of $50. The provisional credit remains in place throughout the bank's investigation of the dispute. The provisional credit will become permanent if the bank confirms an error or finds the disputed activity was unauthorized. You can use the provisional credit during the investigation. However, it's important to remember that if the investigation concludes against your claim, the provisional credit will be reversed. The bank can reverse a provisional credit if the investigation finds the dispute to be unfounded. To avoid potential overdraft fees, some account holders choose to wait until the credit has been finalized before spending it. In most cases, the bank will notify you at least 5 business days in advance if the provisional credit is to be reversed. Provisional credits play a vital role in protecting consumers during a dispute investigation. It ensures that account holders can continue to spend money and manage their daily lives without the stress of missing funds. At Quavo, our experts have hands-on experience managing investigations for financial institutions of all sizes. Designed by bankers for bankers, Quavo solutions simplify regulatory compliance with automated actions, reducing manual effort and ensuring accuracy every step of the way. To learn more about fraud and disputes, check us out online.